your plank to quad extension. You're gonna need an elevated surface for this. I use my coffee table, something sturdy. It's not gonna move around on you, and it is going to support your weight. The feet are going up on your elevated surface. Your hands are down in front, so you start in that plank position, keeping those hips tucked. It is okay if your butt is up in the air a little bit on this one, just so long as you're keeping your hips tucked and those ribs pulled down. The important thing is going to be the bend in our knee, which I'll show you in just a second. So we're right here in that plank position. I'm going to bend my knee, drop down, and then drive those knees back up and squeeze the quads as hard as I can. Bend the knee and bring it back up. Bend at that knee joint, straighten through. Think about pulling the kneecaps in and squeezing the quads as hard as you can. If that's a hard move for you, it is what I would consider a little bit more of an intermediate to advanced move. You can modify with a dumbbell front squat or a dumbbell, a dumbbell front squat. So to make sure you are hitting quads in a really productive manner on these, you are going to make sure that as you squat, you bend your knees first. Okay, so we're letting the knees actually go forward a little bit. The upper body is going straight down, get as low as you can, and then drive up, keeping that upper body in a nice straight line with the legs. You see that? My knees go forward a little bit. As long as you don't have any knee issues, this is not a problem. It's not a problem at all. You're going to feel that in the quads much more. Whereas this squat, pushing the butt back, is much more glute focused. Both are correct. One is more quad focused, one is a little more glute focused. So to get it quad focused, which is a good variation of this movement, the plank to leg extension, you want to make sure you're pushing those knees forward, okay? Just like that.